Do you love to chat online? What if I told you that you can make money by simply chatting with an AI? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money with Chat GPT, the AI-powered chatbot. You don't need any special skills or experience, and you can start making money right away. So, let's dive in. Today, we're going to talk about a new and exciting way to make money online by chatting with Chat GPT. Chat GPT is an AI-powered chatbot that uses natural language processing to have conversations with users. And the best part? You can make money by chatting with it. The first step is to sign up for Chat GPT. It's a straightforward process, and you can sign up for free. Once you're signed up, you can start chatting with the AI and earning money right away. To start making money, all you need to do is chat with Chat GPT. It's that simple. The AI will ask you questions and engage in conversations with you. You'll earn money for every chat session you complete. Once you've earned some money, you can withdraw it to your preferred payment method. ChatGPT offers multiple payment options, including PayPal, bank transfer, and cryptocurrency tips for maximizing your earnings. Be responsive and engage in longer conversations with ChatGPT. Try to keep the conversation natural and don't rush through it. Keep an eye out for special offers and promotions that can earn you more money. And that's how you can make money with ChatGPT. It's an easy and fun way to earn some extra cash on the side. So, if you love to chat online, why not give it a try? Sign up for ChatGPT today and start making money with every conversation.